To download Netflix on any iPhone, just simply navigate to your App Store, or if you are unable to find App Store, you can also search in your app library. Simply type App Store and navigate to your App Store application. And at the bottom right corner, you can see a small search icon. Simply tap on that and search Netflix. After entering Netflix, simply tap on this blue button. As you can see, Netflix is right here. Simply tap on this icon and tap on this get button, or you can also see download button instead of this get button. Simply tap on that and your download will begin shortly, or it might ask for your iCloud password. If the download is not begin automatically, just simply tap on install and enter your current iCloud password. Once you have entered your iCloud password, simply tap on confirm and your download will be started. As you can see, download has been started successfully. Once the installation is completed, you can simply find this application on your home screen. As you can see on my home screen, here is Netflix, or if you are unable to find Netflix on your home screen, you can also search in your app library. Simply type Netflix and as you can see, Netflix is right here. So that's how you can easily download Netflix on any iPhone. So that's it for this video. If this video helps, subscribe.